To report changes to the vehicle information of your 2290 return, you must file a 2290 amendment. Select the 2290 form from the dashboard. If you filed your original 2290 with Tax2efile, you may select Start e-filing from the business list. Select the same tax year as the 2290 return for which you need to file the 2290 amendment. Then select the same month first used for the vehicle. Choose 2290 amendment at the bottom of the tax year information and click Save and Continue. Amendments can be filed for either an increase to the total gross weight of the vehicle or to report a suspend vehicle that exceed the suspended mileage limit. For now we will focus on weight amendment. To enter your vehicle information, simply click the Add Vehicle button above the empty vehicle list. Enter the VIN of the vehicle you would like to make an amendment to along with the original gross weight. Save and continue when finished. Then select the new gross weight from the drop-down menu and the month of when the weight increase took place. As you add your vehicle amendments to the list, the difference in tax will display in the total tax above the vehicle list. Select Save and Continue when finished. If you do not have a third-party designee or were not hired by the business to file the 2290 amendment, you may skip this step. Click Save and Continue. The tax amount due will be calculated and displayed on the IRS payment page. To complete the tax payment, you may choose any of the payment options listed. Be sure to check the box so you understand the payment option selected. Select Save and Continue once you have selected your payment option. If you would like to allow IRS the right to notify DMV and DOT in regards to your 2290 amendment, you may agree to the consent to disclosure of tax information. Be sure to review your information and check for any errors before completing the submission of your 2290 amendment. Complete the payment information for your 2290 e-filing fee and click Pay Now to finish and submit your 2290 to the IRS.